In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right categories on KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. If you're a new author or just getting started with self-publishing on Amazon, choosing the correct categories for your book can significantly impact its discoverability and sales. So, let's dive into how to make the most effective and strategic decisions when it comes to categorizing your book. To begin, you'll want to start by conducting thorough research on Amazon to identify possible categories. Amazon, as you may know, offers a vast array of categories that can sometimes feel overwhelming. The secret here is not to rush. Spend some time browsing similar books within your genre. Check out top-performing authors to see how they've categorized their works. By delving into this process, you'll notice patterns and popular categories that align with your kind of book. This research phase is crucial because it equips you with insight into the competitive landscape and helps you make informed decisions when choosing categories. Next, it's important to consider your book's genre and audience. Match these elements appropriately with potential categories. Think about who will read your book and how they might look for it. Is it a science fiction adventure? A heartwarming romance? Or perhaps a nonfiction guide? Understanding the core characteristics of your book will guide you in narrowing down relevant categories. It's essential to align your book with categories that genuinely reflect its content. This alignment not only helps in reaching your target audience, but also aids in avoiding disappointing readers who might be expecting something different. So take a moment to reflect on your book's unique attributes and who it speaks to. Now we get to the point where you select two categories in the KDP setup. During this process, you'll have the opportunity to choose two categories that best fit your book. It's worth noting that while you're allowed two categories initially, there are indeed ways to add more by contacting Amazon support later on. However, for now, focus on these two key choices. Make sure they're reflective of your earlier research and align well with your book's genre and audience. Remember, specificity can make or break how your book ranks and how it's discovered by potential readers. Finally, once you've made your well-researched selections, it's time to save and publish. After all the hard work of research and selection, this final step sets your choices into motion. Double-check everything before hitting that publish button to ensure that all information is accurate and that you're satisfied with the categories chosen. Once everything is in place, publish with confidence knowing that you've strategically positioned your book to reach its intended audience. In conclusion, choosing the right categories on KDP is a blend of thorough research, strategic matching, thoughtful selection, and a confident finalization of your choices. These steps will provide a strong foundation for your book's success in the highly competitive world of self-publishing. Happy publishing!